In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the SoFi card game bot to your Discord server through Chrome. To get started, open Chrome and go to discord.com, then make sure you're inside your active Discord chat instance. It's best to confirm that you're already logged into the correct account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one server. That helps avoid inviting the bot to the wrong place by mistake. Once you're in Discord, look for the server where you want to add the bot. After selecting it, open your server settings panel. This is where you'll find the controls for managing your community, apps, integrations, and permissions. Take your time here and make sure you're working in the correct server, since any bot you add will only be available in the server you authorize. Inside the server settings area, click on App Directory. This section is designed to help you discover and add apps and bots directly from within Discord, which makes the process a lot easier and more secure than searching around on unrelated websites. When the app directory opens, use the search bar to look for the designated SoFi card game bot. As you search, be careful to choose the correct listing. Bot names can sometimes look similar, so it's a good idea to double check the profile and confirm you've selected the intended SoFi card game bot before continuing. This helps prevent confusion later and ensures you're installing the right tool for your server. After you find it, click Invite to Server. Discord will then guide you through the authorization screen. At this stage, you'll be asked to approve the necessary permissions, including the bot's ability to read and write in channels where it needs to function. Review those permissions carefully so you understand what access the bot is requesting. If everything looks right, continue through the prompts and authorize the bot. Once the authorization is complete, the bot should be added to your server and ready to use according to its supported features and permissions. If you don't see it immediately, give Discord a moment to refresh, or check the server member list and relevant channels to confirm that the bot has joined successfully. And that's it. You've now added the SoFi card game bot to your Discord server using Chrome.